FEVE powder, the eco-conscious choice. You may know that in order to meet the AAMA 2605 standard for extrusion finishes, you need to use fluoropolymer chemistry. But did you know there are really two types of fluoropolymer chemistry? There's PVDF and there's FEVE. You can see that PVDF and FEVE both are fluorinated, but PVDF typically is used as a liquid, high VOC, whereas FEVE can be used in powder form. FEVE has a unique copolymer chemistry that allows you to achieve a variation in finish options ranging from very matte, satin, and then all the way up to high gloss. The carbon-fluorine bond is strong, and it is why fluoropolymer chemistry is used for AAMA 2605 finishes. You can see here the performance of these chemistries compared to standard polyester systems. You can see in this red on the left, yellow on the far right, and in the middle you can see the dark color. So you can see at 10 years both the FEVE and the PVDF really maintain their color and gloss retention compared to the polyesters. You now know that FEVE is a type of fluoropolymer resin that can be used to make AAMA 2605 extrusion finishes. It's this unique copolymer chemistry that FEVE, or fluoroethylene vinyl ether, utilizes to offer superior weatherability, but also unique properties like high gloss and transparency, which allow for a full range of clean, crisp colors, and finally cross-linkability, and this cross-linkability can help with damage resistance. FEVE powder resins are low VOC translucent flakes that employ cross-linking technology to make durable powder coatings. The TG, or glass transition temperature, of FEVE powder resins allow the formulator to balance ease of processing with stability for powder coatings that maintain quality from manufacturer to the powder coater. Powder coatings based on FEVE powder resins are used to finish aluminum extrusions. They offer a 30+ year life, maintaining aesthetics like color and gloss while protecting the underlying structure against corrosion. This is what fluoropolymer coatings do, but FEVE powder coatings do all this with a lower negative impact to the environment. Traditional factory-applied solvent-based paint has an impact on the environment. The organic solvents and oven cure required adds to our carbon footprint. But long-life coatings start to tip those scales by eliminating repainting of structures as they age over time. The carbon footprint is impacted not just by the additional materials needed in the repainting process, but also by the auto emissions from trucks that transport the paint to the factory or job site, and even the waste that's generated from the removal of the old coating itself. Long-life powder coatings based on FEVE resins tip that scale a step even further because they don't require the use of organic solvents. You can estimate the impact of using long-life FEVE powder coatings using a carbon footprint analysis. When comparing FEVE powder paint with traditional PVDF solvent-based paint, a potential net reduction of 16 tons of carbon dioxide is calculated on a 100,000 square foot project. Long-life FEVE powder coatings are low VOC, offer higher transfer efficiency in the painting process, and require lower oven temperatures during cure. All of this helps to lower the overall carbon footprint compared to traditional solvent-based painting. FEVE powder coatings are the eco-conscious choice.